In this video, we will learn how to fix AWS IAM Identity Center push group error, unable to update group push mapping target. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin console. Navigate to Applications, then Applications. Under the Push Groups tab, you can see the error message for the AWS push group. Now select the Provisioning tab, then Integration, and click Edit. Navigate to the AWS IAM Identity Center. In Settings and Automatic Provisioning, under Configuration, copy the SIM endpoint and paste that in the base URL section on the Okta admin console. Make sure to remove the trailing forward / at the end of the URL. Go back to the AWS IAM Identity Center, copy the access token, and paste it into the API token section on the Okta admin console. Click Test API Credentials, and it will show the API has verified successfully, then click Save to save your changes. Select the Push Groups tab and activate the specific push group. Now you will see the push group is active. And that is how to fix AWS IAM Identity Center push group error, unable to update group push mapping target. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.